This guy was just chilling and fishing until something terrifying happened.
Oh no. Yeah, so we should get going. It says a tornado warning. We got a tornado warning, so let's get going. Let's not mess with this. Let's get going. Really quick, about to not be pleasant. Came in quick. I mean, I hope you guys can see this. That is a emergency weather service. I don't know what entirely to do now. This is gonna be a wall of freaking rain. Good Lord. Guys, that is a wall of rain. Oh my God, this shifted really quick. It was the completely different direction wind. It's coming worse.
And what would you do in this situation? Try to type tornado in the comments with your eyes closed. I bet you can't.